Are you planning on opening a bar? Well, first you have to know how to close one. In this video, we're going to talk about how to clean your bar. Remember, these are just a few products to keep your bar clean. For a more detailed assessment, contact somebody in the PJP Janitorial and Sanitation Department. Behind the bar upkeep needs to be taken seriously. Clean your bar equipment with a safe all-surface cleaner. It's important to use stainless steel cleaner on your bar equipment to avoid corrosion. If not cleaned properly, the lifespan of your bar equipment will decrease. My rule of thumb is that everything spotless needs to be cleaned before close. Make sure that you have a dependable dishwasher and heavy-duty detergent for your glassware. Keep at least 5 gallons of dishwasher detergent to avoid running out unexpectedly. If you don't have a dishwasher and use a 3-sink washing method, use soap and sanitation tablets to keep glass clean. A drain guard can be used to keep lemons and limes from getting stuck in your drains. This alone will prevent fruit flies and clogged pipes. Now that we've discussed behind the bar, let's talk about where the customers sit. This area is important because 2 of every 3 customers will not return to your establishment if the cleanliness isn't on par. Wipe down counters that might have leftover spillage. If not done properly, this can lead to permanent stains. Supply yourself with a reliable all-surface cleaner and never use dirty rags. Keep your inventory on cleaning rags at a high number. The harsh reality is that some nights you might have a customer who maybe had too much to drink and gets sick. Or a fight breaks loose which leads to damages. Prepare yourself with the necessary tools to clean up bodily fluids. Paper towels, gloves, even a wet floor sign. Set the bar high for cleanliness to guarantee returning customers, and good luck opening your dream bar.